Good morning, students. I am going to tell you about Home Science of class 10th, Chapter 2, Investment of Savings. Saving is the most important items in the family budget. It is the part of science which is kept for future use. As children save money for holiday, adults save part of their salary for future use. A man puts money for old age, it's the money which becomes the property of the family in long time. In it enhances the motivation of achieve the pro- proposed target or satisfy the long due need of the family. Money saved should be deposited in the bank so that it may earn interest and in turn हमारे लिए सेविंग बहुत ज़रूरी परिवार के बजट को जो भी आय व्यय का लेखा जोखा है उसको कैसे हम खर्च करते हैं उसका एक कैसे बचा के हमें रखना चाहिए अपने भविष्य के लिए। इन जैसे हम बच्चों के एजुकेशन के लिए, बड़े होने पर उनके खर्च के लिए, तो उनकी फ्यूचर प्लान के लिए कैसे अपने आय व्यय को बचा के रखें, इसके बारे में इस चैप्टर में बताया गया है। द सेविंग हैज़ टू मेन एलिमेंट्स: पुटिंग बाय समथिंग फॉर फ्यूचर यूज, नंबर 2 वाइज एंड पोर्टेबिलिटी इन्वेस्टमेंट। Aims of saving: today's income may be sufficient for today's need, but the future may bring increased need for declarable income or both. The following are the aims of saving in a family: retirement for service, old age, other financial emergencies, increased expenditure, children and family needs in the future, miscellaneous needs of the family, national need for accumulation of capitals. ये जो हमारी बचत है ये हम जब नौकरी करते हैं, नंबर 1 जिसमें दिया हुआ है, इसके मेन सिद्धांत क्या है कि जब हम कोई नौकरी करते हैं तो उसमें उसे रिटायरमेंट के बाद पैसा मिलता है, पीएफ मिलता है, प्रोविडेंट फंड स्कीम होती है जो हमारे भविष्य को हमें हेल्प करता है। ओल्ड एज में जो भी जब हमारी हड्डियां काम करना बंद कर देती हैं तो भी ये हमें हेल्प करता है। इस तरह से ये डिफरेंट टाइप्स के जो एम्स दिए हुए हैं। नीड्स फॉर factor responsible for saving: the amount of saving by a household depend upon two things: power to save, will to save. The power to save depend upon the level of the income of the family in relation to expenditure. The higher the level of income of family, the greater is the power to save. So the power to save is an indispensable condition for saving, yet saving would not be possible unless in power to save accompany a willingness to save. For example, a family is very rich, it has power to save, but if no member of the family has willingness of saving would not occur. Method of saving: किन के तरीके से आप अपने मनी को सेव कर सकते हैं। Now whether is saved must be invested in a bank from where the family is able to draw money when it need it. When a family deposit money in a banking and institute of schedule, keep the following question in our mind. जब हम बैंक में पैसा रखते हैं तो हमारे दिमाग में बहुत सारे सवाल उठते हैं। इन द मनी सेफ, कैन द मनी बी रेडी टू एट हैंड, विल द मनी डिपॉजिट ब्रिंग इन Additional money for the deposit. The following is the list of some banking institute. Any commercial bank, post office, insurance scheme, provident fund, unit trust of India, etc. etc. Bank. A bank is a commercial institute. It increase deposit for saving current and fixed deposit. It gives us different types of loans. A family can deposit money only are of the following three schemes: saving account, fixed account, and current account. Saving account is very useful for common families. The only condition is that bank are have ceiling for the maximum amount that can be deposited in the this account. Money can be withdrawn from the bank either through check or through a withdraw form. Fixed deposit account. In this account, money is accepted for a fixed period of time, verifying from part of year to 10 years. The rate of interest in higher in fixed deposit. Current account. It is an account suitable for businessmen. Facility. What is the facility of issuing checkbook? A checkbook can be three kinds: bearer check, order check, cross check. What is bearer check? Bearer check is a good as money. Person can withdraw money through the bearer check. An order check can be paid only to the person whose name is entered by the depositor in the check. A cross check is one whose payment cannot be made on the counter, but the money is deposited in the account of the person whose name is written on the check. Post office. A post office saving bank account can be opened with an initial deposit of rupees 100 in the post office saving bank account. Either individual account or joint account are opened. Post office saving account has various saving schemes. Sanchayika for going school children. Number 2, post office time deposit account. 5 years post office recurring deposit scheme. A depositor deposit month some money in this scheme and at the end of 5 years get back in money with interest. He or she can withdraw 50% of the amount standing at the credit only one item for 1 year. Insurance scheme. Insurance is an undertaking by a company, society, or a state of provide safeguard against loss, provision against sickness, death, etc. In return for regular payment, the company and the insured enter a contract by which the former promise to pay secure payment of sum of money in case of damage, accident, loss, injury, death to the insurer of his nominees. The company is the insured undertaking to payment. The insured has make regular payment of the premier to the company. Various kinds of LIC policies. Number 1, fixed term endowment policy. Number 2, endowment policy, life insurance policy, fixed term educational scholarship, the Grah Lakshmi insurance policy. Then I will see what is the advantages of insurance. The insurer gets a lump sum of money for his old age. Increase credit and necessary saving. Provision is made for expenditure is marriage, house building, higher education, etc. Importance of saving. As it is different types of a scheme, provident fund scheme, public provident fund scheme, unit trust of India, cooperative credit scheme, socialities, national saving scheme, NSC, you can say chit fund scheme, India Indira Vikas Patra and Kisan Vikas Patra. Then I will see what is the importance of savings. The importance of savings are as follows. Future security. The saving in various public scheme provide a security net to the family to meet our future expenses. These saving can be utilized for education, housing, marriage of the children. Number 2, emergency importance. The saving has emergency importance whenever fall in income may occur due to accident, sickness, old age, death, unemployment, or reduced wages, etc. Number 3, compensatory importance. Increased expenditure caused by illness, loss by fire, robbery, or inflation can be compensated by the saving of a family, enhancing money, enhancing social prestige, economic progress. The family can make economic progress only when it is spent less than its earning. It help in making economic progress of the family. And last, entertainments are pleasure trips. The saving in a family help in entertaining the family members for pleasure trip or tours during a vacation. Thus, saving also have importance of entertainment. बच्चों, हमने देखा कि इस पार्ट में कि हम अपने जो भी खर्चे हैं उसे हम किस तरह से कहाँ पर कैसे सेव करके रख सकते हैं बैंकों में, उसके एम्स क्या हैं, मनी को सेव करने का एम क्या है। सबसे पहले तो ये हमें रिटायरमेंट के बाद हमें प्रोविडेंट फंड मिलता है और ओल्ड एज में फाइनेंशियल हेल्प मिलती है और हम बच्चों के फ्यूचर के लिए हम आगे कुछ अच्छा कर सकते हैं, अपने समाज में सोशल प्रेस्टीज को मेंटेन कर सकते हैं और जो भी हमारे घर में जो भी बिल्डिंग वगैरह के खर्चे हैं उसमें हम अपने को मैनेज अपने घर को मैनेज कर सकते हैं। और बैंकिंग के बारे में भी इसमें बताया गया है कि किसी भी कमर्शियल बैंक में हम अगर अपना पैसा रखते हैं तो उसे हम किस तरह से जमा कर सकते हैं, कैसे निकाल सकते हैं, बाई चेक ले सकते हैं, चेक कितने तरह के होते हैं। इन सारी चीज़ों के बारे में इस चैप्टर में बताया है। LIC, लाइफ इंश्योरेंस, इसके भी कई तरीके बताए गए हैं।